Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and you got about x plus 2. Next, because we still have x, so I will put number 2 go to the left, and we have u square minus 2 equals to x. Next, we do first the derivative of this one. First, the derivative of u square in here, you got about 2u. First, the derivative of number 2, that's about the constant, so we have du in here. First, the derivative of s, you got about 1, so we just write about the s because we have number 1 in here, but we can simplify it like this. The square root we change for u, s we change by u square minus 2. The s we change by 2u du. Now I can put number 2 go in here. U and u we have u square. About u square we multiply by u square and number 2. Now we have the final answer. The integration of u to the power of 4, we have u to the power of 5 over 5. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer of the question number 1. Question number 2, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of x plus 3. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we still have x, so I will put number 3 go to the left. Next, we do first the derivative of this one. First, the derivative of u square, we have 2u. Negative number 3, that's about the constant, so we just put about the u in here. First, the derivative of x, you got about 1, so we have 1 ds. So we can simplify like this. This one we change by u. S we change by u square minus 3. ds we change by 2u du. So u divided by u. So we just have only number 1. Number 2 I can put in here. So we just write into u square minus number 3. Now we have the final answer. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. Number 3, that's about 3u. And then we put about c. Now about u, that is about the square root of x plus 3. So we put this one going here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.